Hello, my students. How are you? Okay, I need just that you open your notebook and write the date. Today is Tuesday, 28th July 2020. Topic: Don't get lost. Performance: Understanding phrase for giving direction. I need that in this moment, please, you open your book, page 40, Unit 7. Don't get lost. Okay, I need that read with me. Driving direction and parking public. Transportation from the Mayville train station. Okay, there are the direction because you need to go in, you start in train station and you need to go to City Hall. Okay, City Hall for this part. You need to first start here, train station, and you finish City Hall. Okay, start to read. Here, you start here. Look that, right and left. And you start here in this moment. Okay, start. I read that. Train station 424 Ocean Boulevard. 1. First, go out to the train station and turn right. Okay, we are here. Go out. Remember? Go out. Go out. And turn right. Look the boy, turn right. I go like this. Second, turn right on Bridge Street. Okay, I continue here and turn right like this. Walk 3 blocks and pass Oak Road and Main Street. 3 blocks. Remember? 1. Continue. 2. Main Street. I pass Main Street and finish like this. 3 blocks. Turn left. Turn left on Market Street. Look, Market Street, and okay. The City Hall. The City Hall is will be on the left. On the left. This is right. This is left. And City Hall. Look, City Hall here. Look, City Hall. City Hall 214 Market Street. Okay. The Market Street is that. And the City Hall is 214 Market Street. Okay, please call 5555-4567 for information. Okay. Ready? Do you understand me? You need to pass the right to left. And you hear right and left. And you hear like this, like the boy, right and left. Okay? Continue with the other point. Okay, in your right of your book, you can read the direction. Direction to the Mayville Public Library. Okay, you need to go train station, here again, 424 Ocean Boulevard, to library, 725 Main Street. Okay? Okay, let's go. Go out. Go out. Can you please make this in your book, okay? Go out of the train station and turn left. Turn left. Okay. Turn left. Turn left on Gold Street. Look, Gold Street, left, right? No, left. Go one block, only one block. Here, only one block. And turn right. Okay, look, turn right. Palm Lane. Okay, turn right here. Turn left on Central Avenue. I go Central Avenue, turn left. Oh, ladies. Walk one block, only one. Here. And turn right. Turn right. On Main Street. Look, this is Main Street. And turn right. And your destination will be on the right. Here, on the right. Library, 725 Main Street. Okay, we are right. And now, please, in your home, please answer point A, page 40. Read the direction and mark the route, okay? You only write with a pencil the way. And B, number the direction from 1 to 4. Okay, this is activity for your home. Now it's homework is that you make the exercise, okay? Bye, my students. Good day. Bye. See you.